Hey everyone, I'm Isabel, and today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways to customize lighting in your home. No electrician needed. Changing up the lighting is one of my favorite ways to take a boring apartment and really give it a more upscale, elegant feel. So when the folks at Philips Hue reached out to me to give their smart Bluetooth LED light bulbs a try, I jumped at the chance to use them in my bedroom. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I recently gave it a makeover to make it look and feel more like a boutique hotel, complete with this beautiful DIY headboard, new blackout curtains to replace the vertical blinds, and last but not least, a renter-friendly feature wall. I'll be sharing that project with you very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. With all these changes, I really love my bedroom now. But there's still one thing that I don't like so much, and that's the lighting setup. The ceiling light is controlled by the same switch as the ceiling fan. So if I want to leave the fan on to sleep at night, I have to turn off the light manually. And the table lamps don't have a wall switch, so I also have to turn those lights on and off individually. Not the end of the world, but it would be a lot nicer to control everything in one place. And that's where the Philips Hue smart lighting system comes in. It's really easy to use. All I had to do was screw in all the Hue Bluetooth light bulbs and then download the Philips Hue Bluetooth app. Each light bulb can be totally customized, not only for how bright you want it to be, but also it can do the whole range of white light, from warm soft light to bright white daytime light. Another feature that I found was very useful for me is that you can group the light bulbs together to control them as one light. That was perfect for my ceiling fan. Pre-programmed scenes in the app also allow you to completely change the atmosphere of the room with just a touch of a button, or you can make your own like I did for reading in bed. Definitely an upgrade from what I had before. And as a renter, I really like the fact that I didn't have to deal with electrical wiring. The setup couldn't have been simpler with the app, and I also get to take the light bulbs with me when I move out and use them again, which is great. So I really want to say a special thank you to Philips Hue for introducing me to these amazing light bulbs. Definitely recommend them. And if you're looking to find out more about Philips Hue with Bluetooth, meethue.com is a great place to start. And you can also follow them on Instagram at Philips Hue, where they share lots of great lighting tips. And if you're looking for more ideas for lighting in your home, I've put together this playlist that has some of my favorite DIY projects to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss this next video that I've got coming up about how I made this black feature wall in my bedroom, all without actually painting the wall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.